We are here in Glenva Heights at this house located at 7501 Southwest 80th Street. And it's a 5-bedroom, 5-bath. And let's go inside, I'll take you on a tour. Okay, here we are coming to the house for the tour. This house is from 1994, but was totally redone from scratch. It's a 5,300 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, 25 feet ceiling height, and then you have security cameras, indoor and outdoor sound system. It's a smart home, has insulated garage for 2 cars, and everything is high impact windows and doors, and a brand new metal roof with all brand new cabinets and appliances. This is all Thermador, and the pantry is there with a wine cooler. It's a beautiful setting. Here's the master bedroom with double doors, and it's facing the backyard. It has a lot of light and it's very, very spacious. Look at the size of the TV. It's a beautiful view, great yard. And here's the closet and the bathroom, the master bath. Let's open here for you. And this is the his and hers. The toilet is separate and has a toto that works by itself. This is a very spacious bathroom. It's a master bath, and I love the shower with the infinity drain and the window with natural light outside. And okay, double vanity and the bathtub. Okay, and here we are at the family room that has this huge TV and a very comfortable L-shaped sofa, and natural light coming through this window with a beautiful garden. This faces the front of the house. And note the detail of the softness with the indirect light coming from the ceiling, so it makes a real soft ambient. This is the 5th in-room suite with a window and to the outside, to the front of the house. And they made it as an office, but has the closet and the bathroom here as well. Here's the summer kitchen, totally brand new. Very spacious, you can have a table here. There's a fan for the summer. And that's the pool area, it's a huge backyard. And here you have like a living room, a TV room with 25 feet ceiling height, and a great balcony looking outside. You can have some chairs here, have a sip of wine in the afternoon, and look at the pool, the barbecue area, and it's a metal rooftop. Again, for $5.5 million at $1,000 a square foot asking, you can get this brand new house in Glenva Heights.